Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Gmail. Install the Streak extension and sign in with your Google account so Streak can access your mailbox. Once done, refresh Gmail and locate the Streak panel on the right side of the screen. Now create a new pipeline and choose whether to use an inbox pipeline or a custom pipeline tailored to your workflow. This defines the columns and stages you'll move emails through. Make sure to name the pipeline clearly so you don't confuse it later. You convert emails into Streak boxes by selecting messages and using the Add to Pipeline action. This creates records you can move between stages. Then add custom fields like follow-up dates, deal amounts, or drop-downs to capture structured data. This helps you sort and filter. Once organized, use snippets for templated replies, set up sequences to automate follow-ups, and attach tasks or reminders. These features let you consistently execute steps without manual repetition. You finish by moving boxes into the final stage to mark completion and immediately log outcomes and update relevant fields so records stay accurate. Then use filters and saved views to isolate closed items and run Streak analytics to measure response times and pipeline conversion rates. If Streak stops syncing or UI elements disappear, reauthorize the extension in Google Account Permissions, clear your browser cache, and reload Gmail. If problems
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.